Alright, here we go. Video 2. It's got a nice sandstone patio drive today. Video. It's got loads of blank spot, and it looks like it's been tried to. They've tried to jet wash it themselves, but this is gonna sort of be a lot of hypo here today, and this should and will come out nice. I know it'll come out nice. Let's rinse this down. This is looking so much better. Still gonna have a few little bits, but as you can see, colours are back here. Right, here's the end result. The walls have come up really good. Happy with them. All that black spot that was around here, especially down under the plants, really bad. All gone. All gone. It looks brilliant. Well, that's not my quote. That's what the me. I was just re-quoting what the customer said. Look brilliant. Got to get these wellies sorted out. They're driving me around a bend. But I'm happy with that. Even the front wall came up. Look, sprayed that with some chemical. It's come up looking brand new.